Lack of knowledge in investing. Why knowledge matters in investing? One of the most common obstacles to investing is a simple yet significant issue: lack of knowledge. Many people avoid investing because they find the financial world confusing, filled with complex strategies, jargon, and market fluctuations that seem impossible to navigate. The truth is, without understanding the basics of investing, it can feel like you're stepping into an unknown territory.
Absolutely. And this lack of knowledge often leads to fear and hesitation. People don't know where to begin or which financial products to trust. They hear about the stock market, mutual funds, or ETFs, but without clear understanding, those terms may sound foreign. And because of this uncertainty, they may end up making poor investment choices or not investing at all, missing out on opportunities to grow wealth over time.
How lack of knowledge affects investment decisions. When people don't understand how investing works, they can make impulsive decisions based on incomplete information. For example, some investors might hear about a hot stock or trendy cryptocurrency and jump in without doing proper research. This is called herd mentality, and it can lead to significant losses when the market corrects.
Absolutely. And this lack of knowledge often leads to fear and hesitation. People don't know where to begin or which financial products to trust. They hear about the stock market, mutual funds, or ETFs, but without clear understanding, those terms may sound foreign. And because of this uncertainty, they may end up making poor investment choices or not investing at all, missing out on opportunities to grow wealth over time.
How to overcome lack of knowledge. Overcoming a lack of knowledge isn't as hard as it might seem. The first step is to educate yourself. And this doesn't mean going back to school. It's about making small, consistent efforts to understand how investing works. Start by reading basic investment books, following reputable finance blogs, or listening to podcasts like this one. The more you learn, the more comfortable you'll feel making informed decisions.
I completely agree. You don't need to become an expert overnight, but breaking it down into manageable steps can go a long way. Understand the different types of financial products, stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and how they work. Learn about concepts like risk management, asset allocation, and the importance of diversification. These are foundational pieces that will help you avoid impulsive, uninformed
And don't be afraid to start small. Test the waters with low-cost index funds or ETFs. These options are generally safer for beginners and provide exposure to a wide range of assets, helping to reduce risk. As you grow in your understanding, you can branch out into more specialized investments like individual stocks.
Another great way to overcome the knowledge gap is by asking questions. Whether it's reaching out to a financial advisor, joining online investment communities, or even asking friends or family who are more experienced, talking about finances and investing can help you build confidence and gain new perspectives. It's important to surround yourself with the right information.
In conclusion, ultimately, the key to overcoming a lack of knowledge is taking small steps and being consistent. Understanding investing doesn't have to be overwhelming. It's all about starting with the basics and building from there.
Exactly. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel. Knowledge is the foundation of successful investing. And once you gain a solid understanding, you'll be able to make smarter decisions that lead to long-term growth and financial security.
So, if you're feeling unsure about investing, don't worry. Take your time to educate yourself, and soon you'll be able to make informed decisions that will help you reach your financial.
Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you have any questions or want to hear more on this topic, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out. Let's keep learning and growing together.